If they're unconscious or unresponsive, but breathing normally, put them on their side in the recovery position. This helps them to continue breathing normally by keeping their airway open and clear. For example, it stops the most common airway obstruction, their tongue, from falling back and blocking the movement of air. It also means that any vomit or fluid which comes back up can come out, rather than causing them to choke, which could happen if they're on their back.
To put your casualty into the recovery position, this is what to do. Kneel beside the casualty and get yourself in a comfortable position. Check the casualty's pockets and remove any bulky items. Remove any sharp rings, and if they're wearing glasses, take them off. Make sure that both the casualty's legs are straight. Place their arm nearest to you out at a right angle to their body, with the elbow bent and the palm facing upwards. Their arm can be placed straight out to the side if it can't be placed at a right angle. Take their other arm and place it across their chest and hold the back of their hand against their cheek nearest you. With your other hand, lift their far leg just above the knee. Pull it up until their foot is flat on the floor. Now you're ready to roll them onto their side. Keeping the casualty's hand pressed against their cheek, carefully pull on their bent knee to roll the casualty toward you onto their side. Now their top arm should be supporting their head and their bent leg should be on the floor to stop them from rolling over. Their top leg should be at a right angle to their body. Remove your hand from under theirs. Check the casualty's head is tilted back. This will keep their airway open and clear.
Once the casualty is in the recovery position, you should call for medical assistance if this hasn't already been done. Remember to recheck the casualty's breathing at regular intervals until medical help arrives. If it stops, you'll need to give them CPR. If the casualty has to be kept in the recovery position for more than 30 minutes, turn them onto their opposite side to relieve the pressure on their lower arm, unless their injuries prevent this.